So we're trying to find the water, which is quite hard, but it leads us straight down. So there's this air gap between the cellar and the rest of the ground. So what we're trying to do is find the main water inlet. But that means we have to go into the trenches. We have to go down into this air gap right there and see if we can follow some of the cables that are there. It is quite hard to see, but I will quickly show you. It is an absolute mess. But this is the situation. So this is the boiler outdoors, the gas thingy comes in here, and this is, wait, I need to get some light, I think. All right, back with some light. All right, there, this was a heating. And outside we have seen the main water inlet, but it doesn't connect at all to all of these. So what we're trying to do now is follow these cables outdoors, and I can see them poking out. I can see those 3 cables there, but I can't see the outer one there. So if I go into here in this little, right, you can see that stuff there. There's a sort of pathway. So let's get into there and see if we can find these cables. Toilet here in the basement, and if we go in here, you can open this window, and by opening this window you can enter this. So let's see if we can fit in there.
Een kurklogboek.
Ja.
Ja, of de grote.
Ja, goed.
Ik ben aan een paal.
Zeg je? Ja.
Vast.
Right. Okay, continue. It's going.
Maar als het een mooie buis is, slang, gewoon dicht. Nee.
Yeah. So we did find that cable earlier on the outside, a little bit in the ground. There's another electricity cable running that way, which we will come to shortly.
Komt hier uit de muur.
The one electricity cable is in the wall there, apparently.
Want hier komt die gas van de energie.
Apparently all goes to the central heating there, so there's only one left that goes
Hier
that way.
komt die.
There was a central heating there as well, so the electricity there, the gas pipe also runs to there, and also two 12mm pipes for water that run down there as well. So now all the pipes are accounted for, but still we haven't found the main inlet where it goes into the house. So that's a bit
Maar hier zit een knop op.
shit.
Want die komen.
Very hard to find out where cables lead to because it just runs into the wall and then it just ends up being nothing because you could just pull it out. Apparently the builders that were here before just cut everything off and then called it a day. So it's a bit of messy progress, messy process, but oh well. Try to see the fun in that. All right, next order of business, finding the main inlet. And well, we have found a main inlet, but where it goes into the house. All right, into this hole. This is something that needs to be addressed. Look at that. Straight wall, not so very much straight wall. Oh, this wall is sort of caving into this side, which is not good. Definitely needs to be addressed. Oh wow, Jesus. And that's the main entrance. That's like the servants' entrance we went through before. But this is something that we need to. Jesus, that's gonna be a lot of work. We're gonna get out this lead pipe because it has no purpose here. Also, this lead pipe, it's not actually a pipe, it's a cable. It seems to be the original power cable from, I don't know what, back in the day. So yeah, but we didn't find where the main water goes into the villa, so bit disappointing, but you know, continuing our search.
Ja, dat was het echt. Precies tijd. Ja. Nou.
Ja. Yeah. Surprise, surprise. This cable we found earlier leads to this.
Kijk. De aarde. Leidingen.
So probably grounding then. Little side quest, although we were going for the water supply and now we're checking electricity again. So we have
Er
traced
zit niks in, dat komt niet bij.
we have traced these 4 and these 2 lines. They should meet in here. Outside was the grounding, so let's see if there is grounding in here as well and where this leads to. Okay, jeez. Oh my god. How can anyone make sense of this? Found some taps and we're gonna try if these match with the tap outside by tapping them. It's been hours now, so I really hope that this works.
Yeah.
Alright, so outside there's this tap that runs into the wall. Apparently for some logistic reason, I'm assuming that they've chosen to run it through this wall. No idea what this tap does, no idea what that tap does, no idea where the whole water system goes. There's another tap, no idea where that goes, or it splits or anything. I'm assuming it goes up. It's enough for today, but tomorrow we will continue our search.